It's Robin from R4Day Productions with Hiccups 676 for popcorn chicken. And apparently, this is horchata milk tea for free on Yelp. Check it on Yelp. Hiccups, Southgate, California. Tastes like caramel to me. A little bit of milk, a little bit of boba. The boba started out warm, shook it up, cold, chewy, gummy boba, black tea boba maybe. So, went to Hiccups, got their popcorn chicken as you guys saw. They did not give me a fork on this, but popcorn chicken with some cayenne pepper supposedly. Nice crisp, really hot. Honestly, breathing this in, I'm not liking it. It's like dehydrating my nose. But the cayenne pepper is pretty good. See a little bit of that redness right there. Not bad. Ask for a side of ranch, which comes for free apparently because they ask you for sweet and sour or ranch. This is probably the cheapest thing on the menu and my mouth is burning. So one more bite before I pass out. A little bit of cayenne, a little bit of ranch. Man, hold on. Yep, you can't even taste it. The cayenne pepper is too strong. So don't dip it with the ranch because it ain't gonna help you. You guys need to switch to buttermilk ranch. Honestly, this popcorn chicken, I'm gonna give it a 3.5. It's whatever. The cayenne pepper is pretty good. It's hot. I feel like I'm having hot chicken and I'm having flashbacks to that damn freaking Howling Race chicken. And I'm telling you the truth, dude, that Howling Race chicken is way harder than this, but dude, I'm having flashbacks right now. Oh. Caramel, supposedly horchata milk tea. I'm gonna give it a 2 out of 5 because I think you guys gave me the wrong flavor. It don't taste like horchata. I feel like I'm tasting mostly caramel. Slightly sweet, but not too sweet, but it doesn't have that caramel taste to it. I don't really taste the caramel either, just like a light hint of sweetness, maybe from the caramel and maybe from the milk tea. The boba, pretty standard boba, can't argue. Nice and tender, but also gummy and chewy. It's cold. The boba is hot at first when they serve it to you, but it'll get cold as long as you mix the drink. You get a free drink when you check in on Yelp. Be sure to check on Yelp. Hiccups, I'm pretty sure that works for almost any location. If not, maybe it's just a Southgate, California location. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you check out my Instagram, Twitter, @RobinsRR. Keep Robin rolling is my Snapchat. Facebook, R4Day Productions. And I have a wonderful, wonderful Hiccups boba horchata fail milk tea with cayenne popcorn chicken for $6.76 in Southgate, California. Love and peace. Do not text and drive. And always wear your seatbelt and drive safe. I'll see you all later. Love each and every one of y'all.